Welcome to my channel. If you're over 60, this one's for you. Your bones can still get stronger. Most people think calcium equals milk, but you don't need dairy to protect your bones. I've got a simple 7-day no dairy calcium challenge to help you build better habits. Day 1: leafy greens. Load up on kale, collards, and bok choy. These are low oxalate greens with calcium your body can actually use. Day 2: seeds and nuts. Almonds, sesame, and chia deliver calcium plus healthy fats. Sprinkle them on oatmeal or salads for a crunchy boost. Day 3: tofu calcium set. Look for tofu that lists calcium sulfate or calcium salts on the label. It gives you protein and calcium in one easy swap. Day 4: beans and lentils. These add magnesium and a little calcium too, plus they keep your gut happy. Make them into soups, stews, or a hearty salad bowl. Day 5: fruits with benefit. Oranges, figs, and prunes offer calcium and extra vitamins. Dried figs are an easy, portable snack with a surprising payoff. Day 6: canned fish with bones. Sardines or canned salmon bones included are a natural calcium source. Watch the sodium and pick lower salt options if possible. Day 7: fortified plant milk. Choose fortified soy, oat, or almond milk that lists added calcium and vitamin D. Use it in coffee, cereal, or smoothies. Easy swap for dairy. Calcium matters, but it's only one piece. Get regular sun or vitamin D per your doctor. Do weight-bearing movement and eat enough protein. If you have a medical condition or low blood levels, check with your clinician. Supplements may be needed. This plan isn't a miracle. It's simple, food first steps that add up. Do the 7-day challenge, then keep the habits that worked for you. Your bones won't turn back time, but they'll be stronger and safer. Like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel.